Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you an amazing project with lots of potential, which is called Axis Robotics. They have almost 50k followers on Twitter, so the project is going viral. The Axis Robotics project is basically a robotics project built on Base chain. As for the funding, they already raised $12 million, and the best part is their airdrop is confirmed, so I think you shouldn't miss this project. So top projects such as Pi Network, Nomad Capital, and Hack Ventures are invested in this project, so that's also a positive sign. So Axis Robotics is building the world's largest scalable data infrastructure for robotics. In simple words, their main goal is to create data so that different robots can be trained better in the future. Our job here is to train the robot through simulation. Before I show you how you can participate in this airdrop, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for all the latest videos. And most importantly, you must join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join this project, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you'll find this page link. So after landing here, you see multiple sign up options. You can use email, you can sign up through Twitter, or you can use a wallet. So I am continuing with email. Then click on send code. Then check your email for the code. Then copy the code and paste the code here and click on verify. After that, you see some instructions with an overview about what you can do here. So simply you can click next and read all the details here, or you can click next until it finishes. After that, you will see the dashboard like this. So click on the profile section and click on deposit and copy this address and send some funds here. Remember, you need to send Base Ethereum because to complete task, you need a very small amount of fees. So as you can see, I have deposited some Base Ethereum here. Then on the portfolio section, click here on edit. Then here you can set your name and save it. Then you need to connect your X account. So click here to connect your account. Simply authorize. Then again click here connect and follow. And then follow their profile. Then again click on connect and follow. And your Twitter will be connected. For that you will earn 1 point. Now the main part to earn points, go to the hub section. Then here you will find some tasks which you need to complete. But remember, here you need to see how many slots are available. So as you can see, most of them are already filled, so this one is still available. So you can complete this one. So here in my case, I have faced an error, so I will explain it on another one. So let's say for example, I will select this one and then wait for the complete loading of the simulator. After that, here on the left side, you need to read carefully the goal. So here what you need to do, you need to move the tray near the hammer. Then you need to place the screwdriver to the right of the tray and then the wrench to the left of the tray. Then you need to move the pillars behind the hammer. So to complete this mission, you need to move the robot and you see this operate button which helps you to operate the robot. So you can move this like this. Then also you can grip, or also you can move. So I'll show you a bit how you can operate this robot. So this is time consuming, you can try it yourself, I'll skip it for now. Then here is the alliance section, and here also you find some partner tasks. Right now 2 tasks are available. One is Binance Keyless Wallet task and the second one is BitRobot task. So to complete the task, for example, let's select the Binance one. And here you see all the available tasks with slots. But remember, to complete this task, you need a Binance wallet. And the second one is BitRobot tasks. Same like, you need to complete all the available tasks with operating the robot. On the portfolio section, here on the badges section, you can see your badges. On the history section, you can see your total completed tasks, etc. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.